Hi everyone, check out the Aophire Folding Bike Bag, a durable and portable solution for transporting your bike safely. This bag fits regular 26-inch bikes and even foldable models up to 29 inches, making it versatile for many riders. Simply disassemble the front wheel and handlebar, then place your bike inside and zip it up for easy transport. Made from heavy-duty 1680D polyester with strong shoulder straps and a large two-way zipper, it ensures your bike stays protected during travel. The spacious size accommodates your bike comfortably, while the folded compact design makes storage simple when not in use. Plus, it doubles as a storage bag for bedding, clothing, or holiday decorations, adding great multifunctional value. Whether you're traveling by plane, car, or train, this bike bag offers convenience and protection for your favorite ride. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.